Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Gary Glassford back here in Gainesville, Georgia, recording another video for y'all as we go down Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. See how the fast rain is coming down really hard and hitting. Some parts of the roads are starting to flood. There's a little bit of water right there, as y'all can see it. It's starting to flood up down that way. As we move on down Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, some side of the road is starting to flood up with water. Look at this puddle of water down here at this little turn we supposed to make